Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on the application of Temu. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of Temu and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press the bell like and subscribe. See you next time.